little car update. So today marks 4 weeks of me not getting any gas. I do have low fuel, but as you can see, I still have 62 miles because my electric engine is all filled up. How crazy is that? 4 weeks. It's been so fun seeing how long I could go. I wanted to make 4 weeks and I did. And I'm gonna make longer than 4 weeks, it looks like. Today I tried a Laura Mercier foundation. I had it given to me by a friend who didn't like the color matching and she thought it would match my color, which it pretty much does. Macadamia. Anyways, I tried it this morning and I liked it, but I didn't like it any better than I like my e.l.f. stuff. Is that weird? It's just like there's a huge price difference, and to not like it better than my e.l.f. stuff, I mean, I feel like it says a whole lot. Tarte Pro Glow that I'm touching up my highlight with. But I don't know if you've ever smelled this. Like, Tarte products smell so good. Like, every time I use this, I'm always like, I don't even know how to describe it. Soft. So tonight we are going to the Newport Boat Parade. We do this every year. This will be our 3rd year. We have a really cool spot that we found to go and watch the boats. We're pretty much like by ourselves because you get pretty busy down in Newport. So we found like a little area that is our little secret. That's one life hack I will not be sharing. We bring like little appetizers and then afterwards we go to dinner. Should be a fun little holiday night. Now all I need is some lip gloss. I use my favorite lip gloss, huh? The one I'm almost out of, the one that they don't sell anymore. Here we go, holiday cheers. Let's go to the boat parade. Is the start of the parade. Just showing you where we're sitting. Look how close we are to the water. The water's right there.
Hey, how you guys doing tonight over there, huh? Make some noise for me tonight. Welcome to the boat parade. Happy holidays.
Second place, best light.
Oh man, get to Newport.
How?
Bicycle. Bicycle? No? Okay. Yeah, that's pretty bad. All right, that's not the true meaning of Christmas, right? That's not the true spirit of Christmas. The true spirit of Christmas is family and friends.
Oh my gosh, this little guy is small but mighty. I love him.
Was it
So
humor and originality?
So cute. Oh, this one's cute too. Hi, Santa.
Doesn't work. Non-commercial sweepstakes.
Oh my gosh, look at this one. Wow. Hi. Hi, Daddy. Where's the good girl? Where's Daddy? Where's Daddy? Go get him.